So, cheapest heat gun I could find. This here annoyed me quite a long time. Let's see if we can get it loose and not damage the gel coat. That seems to work just nice. Beautiful. One ISO or less. Yes, works perfectly fine. And you know what? There's 2019 below it. So let's get that off too. Yes, every trace of 2020 is removed. Thank God. So, thanks for watching. If you liked it, consider subscribing, liking. Anyhow, Jesus Christ, that is cold. It's like, I don't know, -5.